Greetings to you all. I am Sister Cecilia Mavuthela, a proudly member of Umanyano Lwabaphulaphuli Initiative. Just to give you a background, at the start of the pandemic, as Soul Buddies Club, we came up with an idea of helping poor families. We asked for donations from our friends on Facebook and WhatsApp. We managed to get combos for 8 families, and a big thank you to all those who donated. We later realized that our people need much more than just food. Many people stay in poor conditions. Some do not have ID documents, and that prevents them from getting social services. It was at this right time that my friend Baba Lwamtinzo, we call her Babes, introduced me to Umanyano Lwabaphulaphuli Initiative, an NPO that has assisted so many South Africans. As members of this initiative, we are the voice of the voiceless. We knock at every door where our people can be helped. Allow me to quote the words of Martin Luther King Jr. There comes a time when one must take a position that is neither safe, nor political, nor popular, but he must take it because his conscience tells him it is right. And now, that is the time. I thank you.